again, the backstrapping is finished, so now we need to configure the system or enter the system first. To do that, we need to generate the fs tab. Need to type gen fs tab and dash capital U and slash the mnt, and we append it to slash etc and fs tab. Fs tab. Alright, we click on enter. Now we need to enter the system hash dash root and slash mnt. Alright, now we entered this system, clear. Now we need to configure the system. Before we start configuring the system, we need to install a text editor. In my case, I'm going to install GNU Vim or Vim. You can install any text editor you like. To install that, you need to do pacman -sy and new Vim. Okay, I'm going to install that. So it's you can install any text editor you want. Click on yes. We wait until it finishes. Now which is finished installing, so we need to now we're clear to see better. We need to generate our local. To generate our local, we need to do GNU Vim, your text editor, and slash etc slash local dot gen. So we go down. I'm gonna choose. You can choose any language you want. I'm going to choose English US.UTF-8. Okay. In my case, to edit this, I'm going to type E to insert mode, to enter insert mode, and delete the hashtag, and escape, and to save my config, I need to type WQ, W for write, and Q for quit. Anyone? Okay, let's clear again. We need to type local dash local with an E dash gen, and we wait for it to generate. Now generation completed. Okay, now we need to put this into a configuration file. So do GNU Vim and slash etc slash and there is a slash local dot conf, which is put the language in lang capital. I'm gonna enter insert mode and capital lang LANG equals en and dash us dot utf dash 8, and you save it, colon and say wq to save it. I need now in your case, if you have an English keyboard, you don't need to do this next step, because I have a French keyboard. I need to do this. If you have any type of keyboard, Dvorak, or anyway, if you have another type of keyboard, you need to do this to put your keyboard language in a configuration file. To do that, I'm gonna do nvim slash etc slash vconsole vconsole.conf. Make sure to type it correctly, otherwise they wouldn't read. I forgot an E here. That and it's that not slash conf. Okay, click on enter ansat mode and type lang equals not lang, keymap equals your keyboard language. In my case it's French, so I'm gonna type fr, exit and save it. Clear. Now we need to choose a host name. We need to put it in a configuration file, so nvim slash etc and hosts name. Okay, you can type any name you want. I'm gonna type just shadow and escape and write and quit. Now we need to edit this next file, so type nvim. You can go to the archwiki to get this stuff. Hosts, and we need to go to the end and go down and delete this hashtag and type exactly the same coordinates and forget that here and that one, tab and local host and go the other line and colon and one, tab local host, go down again 127.0.0.1.1 tab and shadow that local domain and a tab. Okay, make sure to type this correctly and save it, quit. Now we need to install a few to activate the internet, have internet when we reboot the system. So I'm gonna do pacman -s. Going to install a network manager, and install a bootloader, which is in my case I'm gonna install grub, and because this is an EFI system, I'm gonna install also to EFI boot mgr. mgr. Okay, and click on enter, and yes to choose, yes, and wait for it to